Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Nakut Faruqi bin Zainuddin from E20. Uh, Today I'm going to show you how to make a histogram graph by using analysis ToolPak. But first, let's take a look at the scenario first. Okay, the scenario is someone must finish his assignment before the due date. Suddenly, he gets stuck in the histogram graph part and he doesn't have time to ask his lecturer. He tried asking his friends, but none of them knows how to do the histogram graph the way he wanted. He never used Microsoft Excel even once, and so he has no idea on how to use it to make a graph. Okay, now we go to Microsoft Excel. The Microsoft Excel version is Microsoft 365 X. Okay, then make a new page, blank workbook. Okay, here. First you have to make 10 random numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At least 10, or if you have extra, it's up to you. Okay, then go to the data. Here, if you don't have this data analysis, you have to go to file, then go to option, then click add-ins, and here if you see the analysis toolpak is already active. If you don't active it yet, you have to active it here. Okay, like now, go see analysis toolpak, click until there's a right mark on it. Okay, then click OK. Okay, then you have the data analysis here. Now you have to find the histogram. Okay, then click OK. For the input range, select all the numbers that you randomly put. Like now, mine is 1 to 10. Okay, the bin range, let it empty. For the output range, you can select any box in the Excel. So for me, it's D1. Okay, then make sure chart output is selected. Then click OK. Okay, now you have your own table and graph. Okay, first thing first, for the graph, if you have more data, you can expand it like this. So this one you can just delete. You can put your own data. For example, mine is 19.5 to 29.5, then 29.5, 39.5, and so on. Okay, when you click at this graph, there are the blue and purple color. So this border you can just drag it anywhere you want, anyhow you want, like this. Okay, for me this is enough. Okay, now I let the first row become 0. Okay, then for the second to 8 row, make it any number. For the frequency, you can change to your own. Like this, I want 10. This one is 12, 71, 60. This one graph. Then click on the bar chart. Click on right click on it, then format data series. Go to get width, then make it 0%. Okay, now you can see the histogram chart. After click fill and line, click the border, then you can see solid line. Click that, and you can change the color to anything you want. Okay, like this, I prefer black. So you can, yeah. Okay, for this series right here, you can select it, then right click on it, then format, then select data, then you can see edit, click on it. The series one you can change to anything you want. For example, like here is frequency. Okay, now you can see it already changed to frequency. Okay, now you have finished your own graph.